English speaking practice sentences for kids. Don't ask. Don't ask. Don't ask. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Study here. Study here. Study here. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Have food. Have food. Have food. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Get up. Get up. Get up. Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Don't boast. Don't boast. Don't boast. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Look here. Look here. Look here. I forget. I forget. I forget. Why are you silent? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? What happened? What happened? What happened? How did you get it? How did you get it? How did you get it? Move aside. Move aside. Move aside. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Take bath. Take bath. Take bath. Taste it. Taste it. Taste it.